Hi everyone, we're going to talk about Geogebra, which is a mathematical resource used to learn and to teach mathematics. Um, we're going to talk about how Geogebra is an engaging tool. Geogebra is an engaging tool because anything you save could be your geometry notes, just notes in general, Geogebra Classic, just random things you are able to save. Um, Around here you could save, you can share, you can title it and you can share, and it will create a link so you could share. Hold on. Yeah, it creates this link and you can share it with your classmates so they could look at your information and you can look at theirs. Especially if you guys do it together, you guys can share that link and both of you guys can have it. It's also very engaging because as teachers you can create a classroom. The teacher creates a classroom. You'll be able to look at every one of your students and see what tasks they're in and how they're doing. And students as well will be able to see where they're at in their tasks. If we go back, this is a very interactive tool as well because you have to pay attention. So if we were to use this GeoGebra tool, there are so many tools that you can use in this GeoGebra that can get you anywhere. You have construction tools, measurement tools, you have lines, and you definitely have to pay close attention to the instructions your teacher is giving you in order to find what you're looking for and to be able to figure out what you want to figure out. For example, if you're doing a polygon, let's say you do a triangle. And you have to find out the measurement of the angles. Well, you won't be able to know unless she tells you. There is how you can measure it. It tells you, but it's best to pay attention, which is why it's an interactive tool. And also, students can communicate with each other if they're just playing around with this and seeing how it works. They can tell each other tips and tricks of what they found, and which is why it's also another engaging tool. Um, you can go to your profile once you create a profile, and you can have your favorites and as well as the things you've saved. So if you go to resources, these are the ones that I've created, that I've been able to use, that I've used, and that I can go back to whenever I need to refresh my mind about them. So this is why GeoGebra is an engaging tool and why I think you should use it. Thank you.